Hey guys, Kevin Fahey here, and I'm delighted you landed on this page today. Over the past 4 years, we have been leveraging the power of one particular traffic source to bring in more leads and sales on a daily basis into our business. Now, we have tested this traffic source in a number of online niches and a number of offline niches, and yes, time and time again, it works. So the biggest problem I see in the industry today is I see people screaming for more traffic, for more leads, and for more sales. Now, we all know the old list building methods no longer work. Solo ads, Google advertising, traffic exchanges, CPA offers, all this no longer works in the industry and normally affects your reputation as a marketer as well. So today I would like to talk to you about the future of list building and the future of traffic and the traffic that we've used over the past 4 years to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in our business. So what you're going to see here is a picture of a squeeze page. This is a common squeeze page that people have been using over the past 10 years to build their list and bring in more customers. Now, what I'm going to show you is an image of the new list building method, which is working for multiple Fortune 500 companies. It's working for our business and working for multiple offline businesses as well. This is just one example. Now, the next screenshot you're going to see here is the old way we used to go along and research our customers and find out how we're going to target our traffic. You're going to see a list of multiple keywords, which was always a lot of guesswork. Now, if we fast forward to the list building and to how to acquire new customers in today's market, you're going to see a list of household budgets, how many children people have, how much money they earn, and what they're actually interested in. This is the power of Facebook and the power of advertising in 2016. As you can see, Facebook has provided us with all the tools and technology we need to run our business. The issue is people fail because they purchase too many low quality courses. People fail because they don't test enough. And people fail because Facebook recommendations are there to cost you money. Yes guys, that is correct. Facebook is just like any other advertising network out there. They want you to spend as much money as possible on advertising. And we've spent hours and multiple tens of thousands of dollars testing Facebook recommendations versus our own methods, and we know time and time again our methods work. So what if I was to provide you guys with a proven formula that has put over $100,000 into my pocket this year? I will give you guys a proven formula to running the correct ads, the correct way to bid, the correct way to set up interest, the correct way to retarget, the correct way to set up your campaigns from start to finish. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm just going to skip over to the PC and give you a complete overview of the members area. As you can see, we are on the home page, and you will get a welcome video. You'll get a link to sign up for the bonus webinar, and you will also get links to connect with us on our social networks and our Facebook group. So across the top menu, you have 6 modules. So I'm just going to have a quick look at each module, and you can see once you click it in module 1, you will be able to see all the videos inside that module. So the same for module 2, the same for module 3, and module 4 and 5 and 6. So I just want to show you guys module 4 here. Module 4 we have broke it into 3 different sections. Module 4 is called Facebook Profit Building, and we brought that into 4 videos on list building profits, 2 videos on branding profits, and 2 videos on upsell profits. So it's just a massive amount of trading. We have over 2.5 hours of trading inside this course. We also have a list of resources that you can use in your business: the Facebook reports layout, Facebook advertising top countries, Facebook advertising top countries PDF, and a super funnel mind map. So all in all, guys, you have a massive amount of training, and you can get help and support at any time from our support desk or from email. So this is just a quick overview of the I Am Traffic Facebook members area. Impressed? I thought so. As you can see, we cover everything you need to know to become successful in online marketing and Facebook advertising. What we cover is proven methods to making massive profits with Facebook advertising. Results like over $53,027 in 60 days, all from Facebook advertising. Fresh leads from Facebook for 44 cents every single day. And here you can see one video that we advertised for an offline company within a 25-mile radius that got over 35,000 views. Do you want results like this in your business? More leads, more sales, more customer, and a much bigger bank account? Click the buy now to get started and join I Am Traffic Facebook Masters. Please note we are now running a limited time discount on this trading, so do not delay. Click the buy now button below to get started.